This is the dashboard. It's really simple and easy to use. So you have different tabs with different tools. We're going to briefly trying to explain in the best way all the possibilities that you can have using the Web Server Guru. For me, actually, it's really useful. I'm one of the clients of George, and I gotta tell you that I've used several softwares, but this one is the best one so far because it just reacts immediately to whatever change you need to do. Let's start with the listing builder, guys. You can find it here in the eBay tools. When you select the listing builder, actually you can create a new profile, which actually will be one of the prepared profiles from your eBay account, so you can use it directly and automatically via from eBay with Web Server Guru. So here you just need to connect it with your eBay store, whether it's in UK or USA, doesn't matter. You just to click here, for example, like this, add your account and just create your policies. Simple as that. Once created this policy, you can just go, for example, and do the shipping business policy of your account, pressing the shipping policy. Do the next. So you gotta, of course, we're going to work today with eBay Co UK because our eBay account is registered there. So you just have to select, of course, always your eBay site, and you just need to import the profiles from eBay. Once imported, you just save it. But of course, Guru knows that this profile is already saved, so it's not going to save it for a second time. Once you save the profiles, you can use it automatically, and actually it will make your job really easy to list a new item. Once having the profiles, you just have to go to a new listing. Of course, you have to select the dedicated market. For instance, here is the eBay Co UK. Then you can also insert a template of your HTML, for example, that you can use for every single listing. Here we are going to use the default one created by Guru. Just give me a second. So here we are going to create a new listing. I've already picked up several asins from Amazon, and I'm going to use just a simple asin from a product that I like. I'm going to put it over here. The URL, you can actually use not only the asin or the ID, but you can use the entire URL. When you press, just put here the URL, select the market, of course the supplier, and your eBay store. You just have to press next. Pressing next, Web Server Guru is going to download all the information, including the category, the name of the listing, and everything that you need. All the pictures, but you can see that there with different dimensions. Of course, we would like to have the biggest one for a main image. For example, this one. You have to select it, and then using your profiles, for example, you want to use, let's say, the shipping and the product information that is always the same in your listings. For example, let's say your PayPal account, it's all going to be prepared. You just need to load it automatically from the World Master profile. Once like this, Of course, you have to select eBay Co UK for this example. Here, link selected, and you have your profiles added. What does that mean? You have everything set up as you want it to be. The tax, the prices in percentage or whatever. Let's say the description is automatically downloaded from Amazon. Here you can see, of course, you can do absolutely everything from here like it's in eBay, but it just saves you so much time. You can correct, you can do whatever you need here. You have all the needed tools. You can also edit your images, which is really great feature, which came like 1 week ago. Yeah, you can control everything here. If you want, let's say, to have a duration for 30 days, you can just press or select whatever how many days you want, or let's say you can just click on the good till cancel, so your listing is going to be good till cancel. As you can see from the URL from Amazon, this product doesn't have its own UPC, but usually it automatically gets the original UPC of the product. It creates MPN, which is not the original one. It's a random MPN, which is not a problem, as you know, in eBay. At least I'm always putting my MPNs like by pressing a lot of keys of the keyboard. It automatically sets your returns, item location. Let's say if you are in London, and you can of course edit your profiles. Here I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds how, but you can put zip code, and everything will be prepared with just holding the master profile. So you can imagine how fast is this. Your price will be automatically calculated, your category will be set up. You just need to, let's say, do your best title, and let's say manage your description a bit better. And then what we can do is just to press submit listing. And when you press that, you'll see that the Guru is starting to load your listing. Once created, you'll see the link, which you can easily open directly from here. And also, if you have done some mistake, let's say you forgot to load your master profile, or just incidentally deleted your PayPal account or something like this, Guru will automatically detect this and give you an error that's showing you what you need to correct. Okay, so for example, that's not a problem in this case, because we can just see that the problem is actually with the monthly limits from eBay. Anyway, Guru knows this as well. So the listing has been added, and you can see this, and you can directly go to your listing by clicking this button, and you can see your brand new listing and everything shown here. Simple as that. So if you want, let's say, to manage your profiles, you can go to Listing Builder, Manage Profiles, and you can select your profiles and simply edit it. You can just see shipping, return, payment. Let's say if you want to change your PayPal account, you just click Edit, found it. Your location, for example, you would like to add the zip code for every single one of each your listing. Let's say you press this zip code, and it's going to be saved by the Guru. And whenever you add the master profile, it will always pop up. Easy as this. Simple and easy. So this saves a lot of time. Believe me, you can list up to 100 listings, perfect listings per day. With the listing builder, is really fast, even faster than if you do it from eBay, definitely. Okay, so the second one, yeah, you also have thank you, George. You also have the very check, which is going to show you if, let's say, your listing is forbidden because of the brand or something like this. Guru have its own very list, and it has a lot of brands and items that are forbidden to be on eBay, and they are against their procedures and everything. So you gotta be sure that whatever you're listing using the listing builder, it will be detected if it's something wrong, and you should not have it in your store, which is really great feature. So you also have the bulk listing builder, which is also here. It's a new lister. It's really useful if you, for example, would like to list a lot of listings. It's the same. You just need to import your new profile from eBay, which is actually already imported because it's automatically connected with the listing builder and the bulk lister. However, if you want to do a new task, it's really simple. You have to come here, choose the store, choose the eBay site, of course. Your account will be automatically set here, the template or the HTML, and you have to put all the URLs, or let's say the ASINs. I'm gonna put 4 ASINs here, for example, just to show you how we can list a couple of listings in just a second. Okay, so let's say we want to list 4 listings here. Let's do it. Just press that. It has already started, and we will see here the number of the listed items. It's processing. Okay, so we can see that the Guru is really smart. It automatically detected that we already have this listing here, so it's not going to be listed as we have it already, and we are going to skip this one. Processing. The first one is done. We're waiting for the third and the fourth one. So let's say you can list up to 500 items, which is insanely great, because you can just leave it like this, thinking for a couple of minutes, and when you come back, you'll see your new listings. Of course, you can edit it from Guru or from eBay directly, but this, believe me, it saves a lot of time. Yeah, and we can directly go and check the product. As you can see, Guru will tell you if when the product is already listed. So whatever you want to do, you can close this page and go whatever you want. The listing builder will continue to work, and it will create your listings. So it doesn't matter if you want to link a product or use the listing builder. This one will be working for you, even if you start to sleep on the chair. Okay, so we can see the first listing. The pictures are with insanely good quality, I gotta say, even better than if I photoshopped it. Yeah, that's great. This is the first time I use it, and I gotta tell you, guys, that's just amazing. Of course, you can do whatever you want your listing from here. This listing doesn't contain any description from the site of Amazon. This is why there is no description here. As you can see, the automated and basic HTML is used here from the web server Guru. Of course, we can set up our return policy. Yeah, and you have like 7 pictures with a perfect quality. Really nice. So we can see that the second one is ready in just a couple of seconds. Let's check it. Yeah, you can see what kind of quality this is of the pictures. You don't need to Photoshop anything. Guru will do it for you. All the pictures we will download it, all the features, the description. If the product has a description, we have just picked up products without description. This is why there is no description here. Okay, so this is everything connected with the bulk lister. You gotta try it because you'll save thousands and thousands of hours browsing and listing items. So another one. So let's move on with quantity manager. There's a quantity manager. Okay, guys. So quantity manager actually is a really great tool which you can find here in the eBay tools. Just press on it and you'll have this screen pop up. You can see all of your products and you can manage it from here. It will automatically relist your items if you set yes, of course, and you can manage it to be active for all of your listings. This is really great feature because whenever, let's say, you want to sell a lot and you have your quantity of your items set on 1, when you sell this item, it's going to be automatically gone to 0 in eBay. What the quantity manager does, it will restore it immediately in the next couple of minutes. Web Server Guru is working really fast, and I'm actually going to show you how fast. By meaning fast, let's say the listing which I've just created here, we can change the title from Web Server Guru. And you don't need to go do the revise or do whatever you want. You just need to add a simple word or whatever you want to add. You just click save and you will see how fast that thing is working. You can see the new here already inserted. That's impossible by using eBay itself. You can change the price. You can do whatever you want. You can just go click and edit. Add $1 or £1. Let's say £1 here. That's percentage you can see here. Let's add 5% more and you can see the price moving directly here from 26.39 to 27.59 if you click save. I didn't click it. Okay, activate it. When you just go here, do the refresh. It's already done. Really fast. Yeah, so about the price movement, this is really nice feature. Where was it actually, the price movement? eBay tools. Price movement, yeah. That's another one which I'm going to start using from today. If you want to boost your sales, you can use this one here, which is called price movement. It will automatically move your prices every 3 hours with the amount of you've set here. If you want to move your items with 20 cents less or 20 cents more P or whatever the currency is, you just set it like this and it's already done. This is really great because I'm used to change my price twice or 3 times a day, which takes a lot of time. Why do I change it? Just because I have a lot of items in my store, and of course, respectively, I have a lot of watchers. And when you change the price, the watchers will be automatically notified about it. So this means more impressions on your listings. More impressions is equal to more sales. And I gotta tell you that I have like 3,000 listings. Whenever I change the price, I have like 2 sales in like within 5 minutes. And it's always like this because you have so many watchers And always 1 or 2 or 5 or 10 of these people are going to take the phone, or they will be sitting on the laptop and they are going to purchase something. So this is a really, really great feature. Well, another one, it's called Bundle, which is one of the newest tools. Where was it? View and link products. Yeah. So yeah, the bundle means that you can create a bundle of products. Let's say you have already created a listing. Let's say this binoculars. Let's imagine that this one is a bed, and you want to sell a bed frame. Of course, the bed frame is going to be sold separately, but you can always add a mattress with it. What you can do? Let's imagine that this one is the bed, and the second listing is the mattress. You have already created let's say a listing. Let's say this is the bed with the mattress together, and you want to add up the price. You have listed this one, and you want to add a price with automatically with another listing here. So you just need to go to bundle linking, and you want to add a couple of products to your bed frame. This is your bed frame, and you want to add a mattress to it. So this is the mattress. We are adding the mattress. Let's say we would like to add a bedding set for our bed. Yeah, so we gotta find. Yeah, we want to add a bedding set for our bed and the mattress, and we are going to create the bundle from here. And when you press link all selected products, Guru will automatically follow all of the products. And if something, let's say, is out of stock, the entire listing will become out of stock. This is really great, guys, because whenever you want to sell a lot, by selling only bed frames, it's not a big deal. But if you want to sell all the things together, like bedding set or mattress or whatever products you are selling, you can just use this one, and you see how great it is. Because Web Server Guru will automatically track every single product here. The bedding set, the mattress, and the bed frame itself. And if one of these is out of stock, the entire listing is going to become out of stock, just because the main listing, which is visible for our customers, will be containing all of the following things here. And if one is missing, Guru will consider this as a out of stock bundle. Hopefully you get what I'm trying to express here, because I just don't have a prepared listings here. For example, showing you a bed and the mattress, but I'm interpreting with this one. Okay. What else? Active content scanner. Yeah, this is one of the newest feature which you can find in the Brainy tools here. This is the active content scanner. It's a really important feature because, as you know, soon eBay is going to remove all of the active content of our HTML. So removing the active content, actually our buttons and everything which is connected with the links in our HTML in the eBay listing will stop working. We can prevent this by using the active content scanner. We just need to load our account, which is already loaded here. We have to press the start scanning, and we can directly see our listings. And as you can see, all of our listings does not have active content, for example, JavaScript or something like this. And we can see that the scan results show us that everything is okay. If it's not okay, you can just select repair, and Guru will repair your listings. Or you can, of course, fix all of your listings with just one click. The CSV importer. Okay, just give me a second because I'm not really familiar with this one, but yeah, you can change everything of your listing by using the CSV importer. Yeah, here is a CSV importer over here. Yeah, first of all, if you want to import to upload our CSV, we have to have it, of course, and edit it, of course. Downloading our CSV from the Webserver Guru, it's really easy. You just have to go to eBay Tools, View and Link Products, and when we are here, you can see Export Products as CSV. You just click on it, and you can see that it's gonna be automatically saved. I'm not sure if it's gonna be able to be open on this computer. However, yeah, it's not gonna be, but it's a Excel table, so you'll see one big Excel table which you can change whatever you want. Let's say you want to change your Amazon prices, you want to change your Walmart prices, you can edit it while downloading your CSV file from here, and when you're ready, you can just import it from the CSV importer from here. Just choose the file, of course not the pictures of your kids, but the CSV, and just upload and start importing. Once imported, you have all of your changes within just minutes, and they will be applied on your listings. Let's say you want to change the shipping policy, or you want to change the price, or something else which is in the Excel table. You just have to import it over here, and you have all the changes which you need, booking all of your listings at once. Do you have anything else to add? Yeah, I just forgot to tell you that Guru is tracking your items and changing it in 2 hours, which is really fast. And whenever, let's say, Guru sees some changes in your supplier's prices, or let's say the item goes out of stock, it will automatically show you what has been done, and it's doing it really fast, like 10 times faster than the other softwares I've used before. As you can see, it's almost the same like changing the title or the price of the listings. Whenever it see that this price is going to be moving in the Amazon, it's going to change it immediately in your listing. So you should not be worried about it. You can list a lot of products and a lot of things within minutes. You can change whatever you want, and it will save you thousands and thousands of hours and money for just nothing, because the prices are one of the lowest prices we have on the market at all. If you have some specific questions, please feel free. I'm going to try to answer all of it. I hope that everything was clearly explained, and I would like to apologize that I was not that much prepared, but my fellow George here is not the best in English. However, this is why I'm here, and I'm always trying to do my best, but it's always better when you're prepared. However, I hope that this one was useful for you, and you have learned a lot. Thank you. That's it for now. Okay, so Christo, I just wanted to tell you that if you register today, let's say you have 15 days trial period, you just need to tell the support that you've been participating in this webinar, and they're going to give you 15 days trial period, so you can try whatever you want. You can try to list, you can try to link some of the products and take a look of how the guru is working. Thank you very much.